and welcome to Sprinkles and Magic with me, Abir. I love to cook and bake, and I want to teach you to do it too. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a banana split. तो चलें फिर? Banana split बनाने के लिए हमें ये चीजें चाहिए: 3 scoops of ice cream, 2 to 3 brownies, some sprinkles, some chocolate sauce, and 1 banana. Making it is really simple. So here we go. First, you take 3 scoops of ice cream and put them on a plate. Next, you slice the banana into 2 parts and put one on either side. Now comes the most important part. Drizzle the chocolate over the ice cream. And now we put all the sprinkles. And some brownies if you like. And there! Ta-da! Banana split is ready. Here's an interesting food fact for you. Did you know that bananas originated from the Indonesian region and now are grown in over 100 countries? So if you go to Indonesia, go bananas! Ah! Try the banana split and let me know how you did. Until next time, this is Abir, over and out. Bye-bye!
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.